What is a situational judgment test? Hi, and welcome to GF's video about employer situational judgment tests, often abbreviated to SJTs. Situational judgment tests are used by many top employers and are a crucial part of the recruitment process. Some examples of employers that use situational judgment are Accenture, Barclays, Deloitte, PwC, NHS, Aldi, and many more. My name's Steve Jackson, and I am an assessment consultant here at GF. The aim of today's video is to get you familiar with the ins and outs of situational judgment tests. By the end of this video, you will be ready to take on some practice SJT tests before going on to ace the real assessments to land your dream job first time. Situational judgment tests are used by employers to investigate their applicants' competencies in areas that are required for the job. For example, the job may require you to work in a team, and therefore the employer will be keen to understand how competent you are working with others. There are many competencies, but employers should focus on around 4 to 6 competencies that they consider are critical for the job. These competencies are chosen by the company as they are important to the company's ethos and allow them to accurately predict which candidates are likely to have the best capability for the role. As such, before taking an SJT, it is always important to identify the competencies that the organisation is most likely to be considering. You can normally find these in job descriptions, the employer website, or on our website under the Employer Guides section. Examples of competencies may include customer focus, teamwork, leadership, communication, independence, or many more. In order to assess your competence, situational judgment tests present you with scenarios in a work setting. These scenarios are likely to reflect the real work environment in which you would be operating should you be hired. Let's take a look at what an SJT may look like. From the scenario presented, you have 4 different actions to choose from. These are presented as options. Your job is to identify the worst course of action and also the best course of action from 4 options provided. These tests will likely take around 30 minutes to complete and range from around 15 to 25 scenarios in length. The more you correctly identify the best or worst actions, the higher you will score. It's important to note that negative marking is not always standard practice in SJTs, however this could vary between providers of these tests. That could mean if you get an answer wrong, this will affect your score. Fortunately, this will only occur if you respond with the worst action as the best answer, or the best action as the worst answer. The other remaining options sit in between the best and worst options, so you will not lose or gain marks for these. While situational judgment tests may vary depending on both the role and company, the premise of finding the best and worst response remains. They may, for instance, be immersive in a work environment such as the Jaguar Land Rover SJT, or they may provide videos to accompany the text of the scenario for context, such as the Civil Service and UBS. Remember not to be put off by this, and work with the information provided to identify the correct answers. Practice situational judgment tests today. Visit our website using the link in the description below and pass tests with some of the world's largest employers. Thank you for watching. Found this video useful? Please like, share, and subscribe for more.